we call it labi-labi. This very rare. I heard that from the boss. This is the only platinum hybrid catfish in Thailand. Black diamond. Then you see albino stingray. This albino pearl. And if you love something more unusual, something more wonderful, something harder to find, then you should see this one. This albino black diamond. And they have so many albino black diamond. Come. Hello everyone, welcome back to Venus Aquatic Channel with me, Nicholas Kurniawan. Right now we are still in Thailand and we bring you to another farm in Thailand. We will show you, this is one of the biggest and most tidy and the most modern one in Thailand. As you see, all the farm is really clean and tidy. And yeah, we see, come, many interesting fish here. So stay with us until the end of the video. You will see many good video. Many good fish. I promise you, will be very interesting and yeah, very nice. Come. So this is a very rare chance and you should come with us. Okay, now we want to show you this, we call it labi-labi. This very rare. This turtle from Thailand, and this the albino one. Normal one usually black color, but this the albino one. This already quite common. This is one of the best-selling product from Thailand. Then we also have this one, apodon, as similar as the one we see on the market. Okay, what else we got? This still same, apodon. Looks like apodon is a hot things in Thailand, and I heard they sell a lot of this fish to China. China people really love this one, and this. I heard that from the boss. This is the only platinum hybrid catfish in Thailand. You see, very beautiful. This beast around 80 to 90 cm and still can grow bigger. If you put in the bigger pond, this fish still can grow maybe to 150 centimeter. Very beautiful fish. Yeah, and this the only hybrid tiger shovel nose in Thailand. Usually we call it leopard. Okay, then we see another fish. We got hairy puffer. Very cute and interesting fish. This come from Thailand, and this fish really selling well in Europe and especially in China because of their weird appearance. Okay, then in Thailand, they not only selling local fish, but they also import from another country for re-export purpose, like this fish. This originally the normal one come from Thailand, but in China they make the short body variant of this peron shark. Then Thailand import from China the short body for local market. Also, what this is bambusa. Hard to see because we only look from the top, but this is bambusa. Very unique and beautiful fish, can grow very big. They are active swimmer, so yeah, very good fish. Then this also bambusa. You can see more clearly bambusa. Wait, I check. Is this really bambusa? What's this? Yeah, not really clear. But this the bambusa. You see, very beautiful. Later we put B-roll, more video about Bambusa. Then we also have I don't know what this fish, but in Indonesia we also have something like archer fish. Oh, monosebae, I remember this monosebae. Also this butterfly koi, this from China. They import to Thailand to grow up and sell. Some of them for local market, some of them they re-export for the other country. Okay, this we have. What we got here? Wow, this beautiful fish. I think this from China. This tinfoil barb, or in the scientific name we call it Barbonimus squanenfeldi. But this very unique variant because it's panda. Panda is one morph color that called panda. As you see, the eyes is very black and the body very white. We call it morph, panda morph. And not only have a color mutation, this fish also have a body shape mutation. It's a short body and panda, so double mutation on one fish. It's very rare. And this we will show you the side view of the fish that we talk behind there. This is the monosebae, mono fish. Very beautiful fish. This freshwater fish, but they need a bit salt to keep them healthy. And this one, wild caught Puntius denisoni. Puntius denisoni is the fish from South India, mostly from yes, southern part of India. This fish already breed a lot in Indonesia, but this one is a wild caught one from India. Do you see any difference? You see? Same as the captive breed. For me, I think based on my experience, all the wild fish more beautiful than the captive breed one, and all the wild caught have many traits and special, unique character. And what else? Okay, this still denisoni. Then I want to show you this one. This Oscar, Astronotus oscellatus. This originally from Amazon, but Thailand very famous for their captive breed Oscar. They can make many new variant of Oscar. Even in Indonesia, few years ago, we still import from Thailand for this Oscar. But now Indonesia already able to captify and breeding a lot of Oscar. We also have many beautiful Oscar, not lose to the one in Thailand. This very cute. This Barramundi, but this one the short body one. Very cute. Very cute Barramundi. Also here got some pleco. Then this beautiful fish. This very beautiful. I don't know what is this one because this first time I see them. Very beautiful. I don't know whether this is their original color or mutation genetics, but I think mutation because this fish look very white. I think leucistic type of some fish. Here we have sawen. This Aurolineatus sawen. These are original fish from Thailand. Thailand, as you know, they have many kind of cichlid, and this one very beautiful cichlid. You see, yellow color. Even me as Indonesian that often see the cichlid, where Indonesian many breed this one. This yellow cichlid is quite rare, and to be honest, first time I see this yellow cichlid. Then also have many this one Siniperca chuatsi or Mandarin perch. This originally from China. In China they need cold water, but this one that we see in Thailand already stable in normal temperature. Okay, this the side view of butterfly koi, very cute. They eat a lot, and as they grow bigger, the fin also grow longer. This fish very beautiful. We also import a lot of them to Indonesia and grow the fish. If you put in the cement pond, they will grow very fast. But if you keep them in the aquarium like this, they cannot grow too big. I don't know why. But based on my experience, the fish always like that. If you put them in the big pond, they grow up very fast. But if you put them in the aquarium, they cannot grow. Yeah, especially if you put in the cement pond, they grow even faster. And oh yeah, this some kind of barb, tinfoil barb. Looks like tinfoil barb, but different. Their fin, top fin is very long. They have a higher fin, top fin, very beautiful fin. This I don't know the name, but this wild caught Thailand fish. They said the owner of this farm told me they sell this very well to China and some Europe country. Yeah, first time I see. Never see them in Indonesia. Then we have barca. In Thailand also have some barca. This are female barca. This also female barca. See, beautiful, beautiful female barca. This is also another beautiful female barca. How I know? Because the female barca usually has less dot than the male one. Male one usually many black dot on the body. That's how I can tell that's male or female. Okay, then this beautiful. We just come back from flower fish village where there's flower horn competition, and these are also quite good flower horn. I don't know this called flower horn or kanpa, but yeah, these are beautiful fish, beautiful colors. These are some kind of barb, I don't know the name. And this my stingray, beautiful. This my stingray. This my stingray. I buy from them. They about to send me very soon. But I keep them here a while. Anyone in any country around the world, if you need stingray, I can arrange for you. I can send from Indonesia, or if you prefer, I send from Thailand. My partner here can help you guys. So yeah, I can export anywhere around the world. This is the stingray. Yeah. This flower horn, black diamond. I can give very good price for you, but minimum to take is about 30 pieces if only take the stingray. But if you mix with other kind of fish, I can arrange. Just send one box of stingray and many box of other fish. And yeah, this beautiful cichlid of Thailand. And this one, Daukinsia. You see, very beautiful. This one of my most favorite fish, Daukinsia. And this one, the Panda short body tinfoil barb. This is the side view. Beautiful, right? And they still can grow even bigger. This is the yellow cichlid that I mentioned to you. Very rare. And this also Aulonokara, very beautiful. And they also have a beautiful tigerfish here. Last time this tigerfish has 3 colors, but tigerfish always like that. The color keep changing. Last time you can see. Last time the owner said they have 3 colors: red, white, and yellow. But now become almost normal. Last time it was very expensive, but now the color is changing. And that's one of the risks if you play the morph color fish. The color always changing, and that's one of the risks. The price might drop. Same as this barramundi. This barramundi was albino, but I don't know why. The even albino turn almost normal color like this. The color turned bad, but it was albino, very yellow. Was very yellow, but now you see the color changing. And I also want to show you this one of the most interesting part in this farm. They have very good filtration. They have this system. They can automatically change the water. When to add the water, when to reduce the water, they know. In the next video, we will explain more to you how this system works. But many farms, not only this farm, in Thailand, they already apply this system. So the aquarium can change the water by themselves. They add and flush. They reduce the water, they add the water by themselves. Already set by the machine. Already have timer and yeah, many things. And they also have a very good system, very good filtration here. You also can find many Oxydorus niger. That's originally from South America, but in Thailand, there's some farm already breed them. So you can get Oxydorus niger at very good price. Okay. Oh yeah, one more. This the blue master Strachei from Thailand. That's also a very beautiful fish. Okay, then just now we talked about hairy puffer, and this one, the side view of hairy puffer. Very beautiful fish. This very fierce. They very aggressive and they love to fight. So if you love this fish, you want to try to keep this fish, be careful. You need very good experience before you can keep together like this, because they always fight. And this fish is very popular in China. They love its strange look. The face is really exotic. And this one is the famous North Thailand tigerfish. This is the baby size, and this some bigger specimen. This even bigger one, North Thailand tigerfish, that nowadays Undecim radiatus. This also. Then we also have this one. This about 10 cm. If you put them in the bigger aquarium with many other fish you keep together with this fish, the color will be more vibrant, will be more bright and more yellow. This actually they stable and they already feel comfortable. That's why the color not come out like this. Yeah, many things. Many too long if I talk about tigerfish in this video, because in this video I just want to show you around what fish available in Thailand. But we can talk a lot more about tigerfish, as we are one of the biggest tigerfish exporter from Indonesia. They have similar character. Wow, this Yeah, this tiger fish, but this one sick. You see, when they sick, the color become vibrant. When they stable, the color become dark. You see, this one, the one that almost cured, the one that almost cured, almost healthy, black color. But the one that's sick, the color somehow become bright. That's same way when they feel threatened, when they feel uncomfortable, when they feel scared, the color become bright, become vibrant. When you put another big fish and other kind of fish, just like what I told you on that row, the color will come out. But when they stable like that's stable fish. This one not stable fish. Yeah. Okay, this only flower horn. We already see so many flower horn. And this one. You see, Thailand have many beautiful platy and molly. Very cute. These are made in Thailand. They have beautiful slayer, and you can get this fish at very good price in Thailand. If you need some of this fish, you can let me know. You want Indonesian breed or Thailand breed, I can arrange for you. I can send from Indonesia, I can help you arrange from Thailand as well. Then yeah, this basically only flower horn, and this the most interesting section in this whole farm. Okay, this farm actually not really big, but because the ceiling very high, that's why the farm looks very good. Okay, this black diamond, then you see albino stingray, this albino pearl. And if you love something more unusual, something more wonderful, something harder to find, then you should see this one, this albino black diamond. And they have so many albino black diamond. Come. This albino pearl. Last time it was 30,000 US dollar one piece, but now very cheap, less than 1,000 USD, even much lower than that. Okay, this the black diamond. You see, this black diamond, and this one. This albino looks like black diamond, but also looks like albino Motoro. I'm not sure which type this one, as I'm yeah, I don't really know this, but look like albino Motoro. That one is albino black diamond, a bit different, but yeah, almost similar. This is the normal pearl. Last time was very expensive, but now very cheap, very cheap. I can yeah, below $30, 30 US dollar. Can be a lot cheaper if you buy in good quantity. This albino pearl, but this one is quite good quality. You see the line and the pattern very good. Okay, this also have albino pearl. Wow, the boss must be very rich. They have so many beautiful fish and many rare, exotic and unusual fish. Okay, what we have is this Suratani Maru. Yeah, they still quarantine the fish because the fish just arrived, and usually the fish when they first arrive not really healthy. Got some problem, but after some time quarantine well, the fish become healthy and strong. Okay, that's all from this video. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope that we can do many fruitful business together. I'm tropical fish importer, but I'm also has 13 years experience as tropical fish exporter. I export to many countries all around the world, and if you want to buy fish from Indonesia, or you want to buy fish from India, you want to buy fish from Thailand, I can arrange for you because we have team in Thailand, we have team in India. We can arrange the best quality fish at cheapest possible. Okay, and if you want mix Indian fish, Thailand fish, Indonesia fish together in one shipment, we can arrange for you. Because even in our Thailand facility, our Thailand partner, yeah, we also have many Indonesian and Indian fish. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Hope that you subscribe to our channel and follow other video of us. Okay, yeah, just look at the fish, and if there's a good response from overseas, we try our best to make many more content in English. We don't speak good English, as it's not my mother language. We learn English by doing, by business, but hope quite understandable. I try my best because I see from the YouTube, the YouTube told me that many of our audience also come from overseas. So I try my best to deliver this in English so more people can understand our content and our hobby, our industry can grow even better. Because right now in Indonesia, ornamental fish hobbies is growing, ornamental fish industry growing, and I hope in many other parts in the world, the whole industry, ornamental fish industry also will blooming, yeah, growing. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you on next video. Bye.